on the microphone. It helps if you turn on the microphone. What's up, everyone? My name's Josh Tilton. I've been playing drums for a little more than 30 years, and I currently play with the Des Moines-based rock band Gimmick, but I'm excited to talk to everyone today because I am teaming up with Collision Drumsticks. I will be playing the 5A standard, and the thing that I love about these things so far is they are balanced. They feel great in your hand. There's definitely got a great amount of weight, and compared to some other brands of drumsticks, you're getting a little bit of extra length on there, so you don't have to reach as much, and I'm loving that so far. I'm excited to get to use these out on the road. I have a run of shows coming up, and so I can't wait to get to use these. In the meantime, here is a cover of a cover. It's a playthrough of a song called Don't You Forget About Me, which is a song that we do play at our shows. Come out and see us. Once again, thanks for the opportunity to Collision Drumsticks for letting me pair up with you guys and get to play these amazing sticks. Grab a pair yourself. Again, I play the 5A, and see you out at the shows.